หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอ่ะ
Hi everyone, this is week 14 and this is the disappearing paper experiment. So for this experiment we will need some colouring pens, some normal paper, some tweezers and some water-soluble transfer paper. So what we're going to do in this experiment is first we can draw a picture on the normal paper. So here we have a picture of an apple. Now we put this picture into the water. Now I'll draw another apple onto this different paper and let's see what happens.
STEMMA 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 S
We have this apple which we are going to put into the water. Now let's see what happens to this picture. So you can see it's in the water, and because of the water-soluble cellulose fibers in this paper, you can see it is slowly going to disappear. Wow, look at that. So we have made the second apple disappear. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.